Greetings. Welcome to the advanced T-Rex virtual reality experience. We are initiating the calibration process. Please move your head to the right until you see the colorful poster. Excellent. Now look to the other side until you see the same poster. Great job. Now find the door and look toward it. Time to test your advanced motion skills. Turn your hand palm up and point your finger at the glowing circle on the floor. When you're ready, pinch your fingers together to teleport. Great. Now move closer to the door using your advanced motion control again. Very good. Now direct your attention to the interface on your left wrist display. This interface will be your controller through the experience. You can always check it out. Sometimes you will need to press the button to advance in the experience. Please press the Start button now. You may now use your advanced motion control to enter the room. Feel free to explore. Please use your hologram menu on your left wrist display to select the process that you want to see happening. If you don't know, ask the promoter for a suggestion.
Initializing access to the T-Rex virtual environment.
You can see the amazing T-Rex on the middle, and at the screens, you can watch the details of the operation. When ready, press the Start button on your left arm interface to turn the machine on. Laser markers show the exact position of each piece, ensuring precise machine cutting. Please press the Start button on your left wrist controller to proceed to the next phase. First, the finger bit tool is utilized to efficiently carve out sink openings with precision, while the slab is whole. This minimizes the chance that pieces will move while routing the sink at 2 to 3 times the speed of a water jet and 2 times the feed speed of an industry-standard router. Please press the Start button on your left wrist controller to proceed. Next, using a high-performance blade, the main pieces of the kitchen or job are cut out to allow piece separation. If there are very tight nesting situations, a finger bit can also substitute the blade. Next, after the main pieces of the kitchen or job have been cut, the operator will remove any backsplashes or leftover materials between the pieces. Additionally, the suction cups and rubber block used during the process will also be removed. In the case of a dual table machine, this is done while the machine moves to the next table to perform the Phase 1 and Phase 2, thus allowing the machine to have 100% maximum utilization working non-stop. Please press the Start button on your left wrist controller to proceed. Next, the machine will begin edge profiling and polishing on the sinks and exterior edges. Before using the edge profile tools, which consist of 6 positions, the milling wheel tool may be used to pass along the edge if there are any thickness discrepancies in the material. When the profiling wheel is used, it first passes over positions 1 and 2. The tool is then changed, and the process is repeated for positions 3 and 4. Afterward, the tool is changed again to refine further at positions 5 and 6. In total, 3 tools are used across the 6 positions. Please press on this next piece. The machine will cut miters on the inside of the L-shaped piece. Additionally, overcuts are applied to the corners to enhance alignment and accuracy and achieve separation while cutting on a perfectly level plane. You see, the miter measurements are the most accurate in the entire industry by cutting this way. Since the slab is loaded polished face down, the measurements of miter cuts are 100% accurate without needing to worry about table level issues, material thickness variations, or strips wanting to move or break. Furthermore, there is no setup or probing time prior to cutting. Miter strips rest on rubber blocks and do not move while being cut, as top-heavy part is on the bottom. You can see the process with more details at the screens. Please press the start button on your left wrist controller to proceed to the next. When cutting mitered sinks, the same overcut principle from the inside L applies, and thus giving us the most accurate measurements, with no setup time, while allowing fast, clean, and easy separation in the inside corners. This guarantees a perfect alignment of the pieces. You now understand the basics of the Poseidon T-Rex technology. There is always more to discover, so if you have any questions, just ask the promoter after the experience. Thank you for your time. We enjoyed taking you through this experience.